Astronomy compels the soul to look upward and lead us from this world to another, said once the great philosopher Plato. This very philosophy looks to be an indistinctive characteristic of various societies and culture throughout the world, which compelled the men to be curious about sun, space, and stars. Out of this very curiosity, we analyzed, compiled, and presented the data of distinctive formation of stars in sky named as constellations. These constellations are surely the product of various mythical stories and shared imaginations of different society and culture. And today, we will shed the light on these very shining objects in the sky through this video. Ursa Major, or the Great Bear, commonly known as the Big Dipper or Saptarishi. This constellation is formation of 7 stars. It is the third largest constellation in all and the largest in the northern hemisphere. It is though not visible in the southern hemisphere. It can easily be identified in the clear night sky, resembling a plug. Front 2 stars of the constellation points always in the direction of pole star. Its neighboring constellations are Leo and Bootes. Orion. This constellation is named after a Greek hunter and is located on celestial equator. In northern hemisphere, it can be easily observed in southwest direction, whereas in southern hemisphere, it is observed in northwest direction. It is the 26th largest constellation by size. Its brightest stars includes Betelgeuse and Rigel. Neighboring constellations are Taurus and Gemini. Scorpius. Located in southern celestial, this formation of star was first identified by Ptolemy in 2nd century. It ranks 33rd in terms of size of constellations, and it is the largest constellation in southern hemisphere, which is near to the center of Milky Way. It is also a member of Zodiac family, which includes Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Famous neighboring constellations to it are Corona Australis and Sagittarius. Hydra. First listed by Ptolemy, this constellation is largest of all the 88 modern constellations recorded by International Astronomical Union. It is located in the southern hemisphere and has a shape of similar to water snake. Brightest star of this system of stars is Alphard. Before ending this video, I would like to share few more facts regarding the constellations. Top 5 constellations in terms of size are Hydra, Virgo, Ursa Major, Cetus, and Hercules. Unit of measurement of size of constellation is square degrees. So this is it for this video. I hope you would have enjoyed it. If so, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content.